Ladies and gentlemen, viewers around the globe who have joined us today, welcome to a captivating journey that will take us into the abyssal depths of our planet's oceans. This voyage is not a tale of fiction, but rather an exploration into mankind's indomitable spirit to unravel the mysteries hidden beneath the waves, an endeavor where the pressure is immense, the darkness is pervasive, and every discovery is a testament to human curiosity and innovation. We're set to embark on a remarkable exploration of the deep sea and the 5 astonishing achievements that not only stamped humanity's presence in this alien world, but also expanded the very boundaries of our understanding. Now, the idea of deep-sea exploration is nothing short of miraculous. It brings to life scenes straight out of a science fiction novel. Picture, if you will, a submarine descending beyond the reach of sunlight, where the ocean turns from blue to an enveloping black. This domain, devoid of natural light, home to creatures that defy our imaginations. Some glow, others gapy with monstrous jaws, is not only a haven of biodiversity, but also a repository of untold sciences and even the planet's history. Imagine for a moment the trial by water that early deep-sea explorers had to endure to even catch just a glimpse of this undersea realm. The year was 1960, when the bathyscaphe Trieste, with oceanographer Jacques Piccard and Lieutenant Don Walsh of the U.S. Navy aboard, plunged into the Challenger Deep, the deepest known point in the Earth's seabed trench. As they descended to a depth of almost 11,000 meters, they overcame challenges that pushed the bounds of human endurance and engineering mastery. This expedition set a record at the time for the deepest dive completed by humans, a record that remained unchallenged for years. And it's important to note, even as we speak, only a handful of individuals have ever set foot, or should I say set sub, at such depths. Moving forward from this historic endeavor, deep-sea exploration was no longer a fantastical myth. It inspired generations to probe further, giving rise to significant scientific advancements. One such technological marvel is the Alvin submersible, which thrust deep-sea exploration into a new era. Alvin, operated by the United States Navy and the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, has conducted over 4,000 dives and has been involved in countless scientific discoveries. From hydrothermal vents spewing scalding liquids to the mysterious life forms that thrive without sunlight. But while the Alvin was making waves through the literal deep, who can forget the RMS Titanic? This very name brings a flood of emotions and the historic tragedy it endured. Yet it was not until 1985 that the wreck of the Titanic was located on the ocean floor by a joint American-French expedition led by oceanographer Robert Ballard. The discovery was groundbreaking. It captured the world's imagination and renewed interest in shipwrecks and maritime archaeology, offering a grim yet fascinating look into the past. Now, if you're as intrigued as we are by these underwater sagas, consider leaving a like down below. And do share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these deep-sea milestones do you find most fascinating? And while you're at it, subscribing is just a click away for those who haven't yet. We'd love for you to join our community and follow along with us on these epic tales of exploration. Of course, the exploration of the deep sea didn't just halt at the discovery of shipwrecks and the depths they lay in. It segued into understanding the ecosystems that lay dormant beneath the sea. In 1977, the world was introduced to one of the most stunning ecological findings, the existence of hydrothermal vents and their unique ecosystems. These fissures in the planet's surface, found several kilometers deep in the ocean, spew mineral-rich water that can reach temperatures of over 400 degrees Celsius. What stunned scientists was not the vents themselves, but the rich diversity of life flourishing around them. Here in complete darkness were entire communities of organisms living off chemicals in a process known as chemosynthesis. No sunlight meant no photosynthesis, debunking the long-held belief that all life on Earth depended on the sun. This discovery not only posed fascinating questions about the origins of life on Earth, but also about the possibility of life on other planets. And when talking about ecosystems, how can we overlook the significance of scientific missions like the Census of Marine Life, an epic 10-year-long scientific initiative that embarked in the year 2000 involving more than 2,700 scientists from over 80 nations, was set on cataloging the diversity, distribution, and abundance of life in the ocean's depths. This massive undertaking revealed new species, new habitats, and even new patterns in migration and species distribution, rewriting textbooks and changing our understanding of life beneath the sea. But folks, touching on an aspect that may seem straight out of science fiction, let's talk about something that's been captivating our collective scientific imagination: mining the deep sea for resources. The ocean floor is rich in minerals and resources, some of which are rare on land, but abundant in the deep. Nations and companies are eyeing these resources for future exploitation, with polymetallic nodules, manganese crusts, and hydrothermal vent deposits being of particular interest. However, it's crucial to tread this path with the utmost care. The environmental and developmental challenges in responsibly harnessing these resources are significant. A wrong step could lead to catastrophic impacts on marine ecosystems that are still not fully understood. The balance between economic development and environmental preservation is delicate, and it must be navigated with foresight and responsibility. This delicate dance of exploration and preservation is ongoing, and we'll continue to cover it in upcoming videos. If you find the promise and perils of deep-sea mining as intriguing as we do, share your insight in the comments below. We're very much interested in your perspective. And before we dive deeper into our next topic, it won't take but a second to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It not only supports the channel, but also ensures you won't miss out on any of our deep-sea explorations, where the incredible becomes the norm. The advent of autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, has marked yet another turning point in deep-sea exploration. These robotic marvels, with their artificial intelligence and cutting-edge sensors, can venture into places where it's risky or impossible for humans to go. They map the ocean floor, take samples, and collect data that feed into countless research projects, all without a human crew. This kind of technology is shaping the future of oceanography, as it propels our quest for knowledge to new seabed mountains, valleys, and the ecosystems within, painting a clearer picture of the deep sea's profound mysteries. To sum up, the exploration of the deep sea is a narrative of human achievement that is constantly being written. It's a blend of courage, curiosity, and technical wizardry that has, time and again, extended the frontier of the known world. Every descent into the ocean's depths provides valuable insights that contribute to our understanding of the planet and our place within its vast expanse. As we come to the end of today's Odyssey, remember that each submarine dive, each discovery, represents a step in mankind's eternal search to comprehend the incomprehensible. So too does our journey together through these discussions and shared curiosities. Thank you for being an indispensable part of today's deep-sea adventure. Until the next video, keep pondering the depths and keep exploring. The deepest parts of the ocean still hold secrets waiting to be uncovered, and together we'll keep seeking those revelations. Stay curious, stay enthralled, and as always, keep exploring.